Now I come to say I want to just play this place or I go to Mohen. Where Victor for start.
No, we are listening. That's the truth.
Okay.
It's the pure testimony. Oh, Suzy now, Suzy, let me know here. Or honey, answer that will be left me. I will tell you the truth. You we are the one that said, elect people who are young guys who elect people who are here to it. Why she also said, and we Yari. The two of you were on conference call with me.
Okay. You see her now? You see her? When Mama let love lead matter come, she run come out. Una see wetin she do for Mama let love lead matter. Now so she first do for Azamama that time. Mama Ivie Ero. Now so she first do. She go first run come out, make the something not stay now. And she use the something raw pass. People like this, and I tell you when they go put this Mama Suzy, if you pull life for your head, then even if say they want go kill you, they want go hang you, you no go ever talk say na lie o. Or what you go just close eye. Here what one in your care. You know since we agbowan your care. See when this matter between na mommy let love lead and now blame. Now mommy let love leave. When mommy let love lead, as it go we no get we platform. Now blame because it don't get no reach. It don't get always they like person when go they come they disgrace for social media. Something friendship, mommy let love live. Friendship when you with from Victor do, it don't take. It don't get too small. It don't get na rat. It don't get na rat. It don't get too small. As you appear for no get platform, my sister. Next time, something like that, not doing again. Because at the end of the day, all of them, when they come, they mock you, all of them, they follow Frank. And Frank, when they saw today, all of them, they show Frank breasts. Now, they call it for Frank video. A lot of women call it for Frank video. Me, if you define the best caller so far for Frank video, now me. Even if say Frank Victor will even say, you go even see same message for me sometimes. If I want to see, if you see they do live, say I still get my opinion for there, I go still put on. Many women they call Frank Victor. They're not because of friendship, just because of they like the way Frank Victor they do something. Frank Victor no they lie. Frank Victor they talk the matter as it be. That is why a lot of women, they are interested of calling on his live video. Like me, I'm interested of calling on Victor live video. But if tomorrow now Victor no will come out tomorrow night go say, he with Love Kyoya, they do one thing to one thing. Or Love Kyoya don't call her, come they tell her love. Or he don't call me, come they tell me love. Frank, since when Frank did this live video, when I they call her, when I will ask Frank, after live video, Lovely don't ever call you the preach of love. You go say no. When his business is business. When his relationship, you people take the relationship out of saga. I don't understand. Mommy let love lead. Friend from Victor. Then they say, mommy let love leave. You know the shade. Mommy let love leave. Not the shade. Most of una husband wanna get for inside house. Una senior una husband. Now just because a quarrel when be say if quarrel did this social media sometimes not they let they go. From Victor don't reach to friend mommy let love live. So boys they 20 years, 25 years, women of 50 years they friend them. Women of 50 years yes, women of 50 years they friend them. Their age they're not old for body. Now their age this you know see some women. They will reach 50 years. If you see them, you'll think the woman at 35. If you see a young guy date a woman of 50 years, old age not show for that woman body. If you see a woman of 60 years, say a small boyfriend, and old age not show for that woman body. Even if say that woman go even talk say it be 50, 65, 65, people not go believe. People will think say now 40. Good morning, my darling. God bless you, my love. Lovette. Yes, you just don't come out. This Suzy, a very useless woman. I don't tell her, say, make she go carry her princess when it throw away for dustbin for Nigeria. You see the women, when they come, they motivate, they will say that they motivate people. They never motivate themselves. This Mama Suzy, it don't spend more than, remain small way be 3 decades. 3 decades, 30 years for Europe. You know, if you carry a pikin, come one pikin when born away for Nigeria. You go there for social media, you go there shout. When matter with this matter from Victor with Mommy Let Love Lead matter show. She carry a person now. Una know why she quickly come carry a person now? You see the word went from Victor talk for years so. The same thing when if they beat Mommy Let Love Lead put so. She do her together, or 2 of them days together. Do that same thing. She will quickly run come and she will come debunk herself come out. Oh, now it make you know better for life. See, or it's so now it make you know better. You know if you carry only daughter when you born throw away. When you they call her princess when king no born. Princess when a John no even born. When a Diego no born. Very, very anyhow person. You will kind of attack Victor, when the Victor here say, but where am when my Victor? Where am when my Victor? Victor is not a Victor, is a man. Victor is a man. If not be social media when everybody come to shout, if you see Victor for road, Victor speak you know great to do Victor. Victor na very handsome man. A handsome man Victor him. I'll say you why I'm here, Victor. A day, and I go feed David Victor. Victor too small. And I go feed David Victor. Victor too small. And while we corner, he answer Victor. I will make big when while we corner. They reach like Victor. Now, so this woman always they do. She's a shameless woman. Waiting he do, Mommy Let Love Lead. Now that's it he do, Mama as a mama. Years back, when as a mama with Monica get little problem, Monica dey line. As Monica just finish, Monica video still dey roll. Monica video still dey roll. Monica video never drop. You know, say when you do video finish, you go dey roll. If you tap, I go say the end. You go dey roll. Monica video never relax. I did that Monica video that day. As Monica just come out for dear, Monica video never land. This woman, you just carry, you just below, as a mama come out. I can say, but Monica no talk about you, about Suzy, and as a mama. Why she will come to say now? Wait till she hear now say Monica talk about Suzy when as a mama talk. Maybe now it makes she react like this, quickly come out. She want come quickly come talk so that her shame and disgrace, she want cover her up. Little when she don't know. She don't know say as a mama, bloody record down. Good morning. How you dey? You don't know say as a mama record down. Now that one as a mama take give her shame and disgrace for this social media. That's the thing when you do to as a mama years back. Now that's the thing I can do to Mommy Let Love Lead. And Mommy Let Love Lead, the same time when Mommy Let Love live with from Victor Day, they talk about love is normal. Now that time it still reach there. Only say Mommy Let Love, it could be like say now from Victor like pass Suzy. Now I make Mommy Let Love with from Victor, now I make they do relationship. 2 women can dey man life. The man go choose the one when he want follow. Now so she do. Now so she felt this is the same character she do to as a mama. She not gonna want disgrace, so she gonna want make she dey give people disgrace. As he can run enter live video. As a mama no touch her with as a mama no get problem. She supposed to even talk say even as they do something as Monica with her mama they quarrel. She's supposed to call and say, my sister, my phone they can't go. Because she with as a mama, they be friend. They even come for almost the same place. What did she do? As Monica don't do video finish. Monica not said and say, go do part 2. Oh. She just run enter. But Monica do video just now. Monica not send and say, me she go do part 2. What did be happen? I be she with as a mama fit get problem. Now there, now as he do video finish, now he can't stop. Now he can't enter. I can't call him. Now tell Vienivier say, what did they happen? This one not good now. This little matter when una set. As I want talk. If Vienivier no say, I no can't join the saga as a mama. If Vienivier can command the phone, can command her for speaker. You know, say sometimes he said, he gets some word when you want to talk. If Vienivier say the matter no go favor her, she go command her for speaker. Now the one when you go favor her with the fans go they laugh, they go they cry, they go they laugh, they clap. If Vienivier go put her for speaker, I got me, I know all of them. As I call him, if Vienivier can see say, I know there for this support when Monica with as a mama they quarrel. Now make me call Vienivier. Tell Vienivier say, you know, go wait till they happen now. Do with as a mama they quarrel. Two people they quarrel. We're not supposed to go say to one the saga as a mama. He not put out, he can't come out for speaker. Because she see say, I not can't join them saga as a mama. I call him for Vier plus. I got to say, Vier forget. Vier not going to push that video, you know, not going to push that video that day. Then another day, I don't know what with as a mama see again when they come to quarrel. Now, so this woman be. Happy weekend to you, my darling. Eunice. You see, Eunice? Now, so this woman be. Wait till see I'm on Alicio. Instead, don't see go show. Be like say this for don't weak or weak. She herself don't see go show from Victor. He breast. She herself, she don't see go show from Victor. Her breast, so. She don't see go show from Victor her breast. Why you can't they beat mommy let love lead? You know what he be won't do now? As he say from Victor come out now, he know say her name must appear for the women when he can't show from Victor breast. She know say her name is not bad in that document when from Victor they write the name put. As they just do video finish. And this one not even concern her. He with mommy let lovely, they don't quarrel do saga. This last 3 months, something like that. She don't even follow mommy love do saga like that. Mommy let love leave. You don't follow and do saga like that. When he just say, when Ogazi Ladian, now he just quickly, as Victor just finish, he just quickly run enter. And the same thing now when he the saga, mommy let love lead, put now. Now the same time, now he with mommy let love lead, they with Frank for conference call. They talk where their current day. Which women they talk. In now one quickly come comment herself for the matter. Now he come the saga mommy let love lead. Now see how it be. Good morning. Osas. Now see how Suzy, you know what it, you know the problem you have. You have to go to school. You need little bit of education. Now because you don't go school, now you dey feel say you want overrun on people. No. When you try to overrun on people that went to school, you will become a laughing talk. Somebody when you go school, like me now, say ask me with from Victor Day. Me with from Victor, I dey call from Victor for Facebook. With that Facebook, me with from Victor, we never talk one day. Now Facebook, now me with from Victor, they talk rich. From Victor never even call me one day, they tell me about love. No. Now they carry love, they go meet from Victor. If as you know it, maybe as people go they talk now, they say lovely, maybe now lovely will see come out lovely with Frank Victor, they always they talk. Me with Frank Victor, they talk for in live video. But after live video, say Frank Victor carry folk, when they say, Barrister, I love you, Barrister, I do this one. Frank Victor never do one to me. Now they go call Frank Victor. Why he call it Frank Victor for ne? Why he Frank Victor here for ne? Now come they say, if Frank Victor make here, if Frank Victor make Frank Victor make here. You know why I say who have Facebook? Cannot you get be yaho? Cannot see ordinary eye ho? What's your Frank Victor is so why warrior so? What's in one so? Eh? These are the things this woman always they do. Good morning, Sunday. If you with Percy go thief, fair wait, make they count you first. You hear Mama Suzy. I where you want call Yoji. If that person never count you, you don't know whether that person no go count you. You go keep quiet. You know, they see some people when they will go thief. I wear whom they don't carry almost 6 of them, or they don't carry almost 5 of them. The remaining one, when they never count, they will say, am I don't know whether they go count also. May we see the talk, no draw your leg, come on, may we wait. Whether I go count us, pata. Now police, now I go enter. No, Suzy, no, you no go ever wait. Wait till you they do. Okay, say the disgrace now when Victor now can't disgrace you. I will say you shut up now. You shut up. Shut up. Where go on? Shut up. You go good. Huh? Now wow. If I love good morning. No, I don't know. No, Mama Suzy. Why we are going? It do the rush. Or rush be me now, If me with person do something, I can never come talk. Even he said now the person go even use him mouth take count me. Not be me go count him. You don't see some people, police go arrest them. They go come back. You say, you don't mention my name. You say, no, now me they carry. Mama Suzy no go just wait. Say, may they even talk to you, self. That was waiting he do with Azamama years back. Monica with Azamama get problem. Monica also they do live video. The video still they roll. The video that when Monica do, it never drop. Mama Suzy just run enter Facebook. That at that time now, who see her go to say now with Monica planner. No. She want talk with come talk. But little did she know. She don't know say Mama Ivierio as a mama. She don't know say as a mama. He record her. Now be say that record the way as a mama they play that time. I no verse put. Why no verse put? Because now you push as a mama. She push as a mama. Now me go even call as a mama say, when as a mama dey you too, now me call and say, I bet talk some, may you leave some. She can't talk say okay. I call for as a mama YouTube. That time when they do this thing for YouTube, when they disgrace Mama Suzy. I tell her say, talk some, listen, not talk all. May you rest. You know they try at all. I mean, where you? Where wakarulela? Suzy, no. Okay, we're walking. You are not doing it well. And this thing when they do so, people, I don't first do live video when you first start. I don't say the day when you go EJ Boy platform. Now because of that video when I do, now I make you go meet EJ Boy. Went to off na con the fool na self. Now so if I do, I find one for you no. I never away here. No matter how saga go day, get the way when they do something. You quit they come out. Even when they don't mention your name, you must come out. Your gritty conscience today, into the worries you try. Even if you with somebody do something, they catch the person. You don't even know whether the person go even mention your name. You yourself don't ready come. Person they go prison like this. Or one the person when they carry, you fair wait, make that one come back. Fair wait, make that one mention your name. No, she will just roll, come and by Facebook. So the day when mommy let law leave, see they say, see where honey deal. Where the same conference call with from Victor with mommy let love lead. Now two of them, they talk of about how na nipote they stand. But that's all you want call the disgrace mommy let love lead. And which you appear for the when mena here. Ah, Mama Suzy. Your disgrace and shame, it don't too much. God bring your pikin come. Go and find how. Go think how you take bring your pikin come. So that this your disgrace, it go come out for social media. You don't say what in front tell you. Oh, the phone don't weak. I don't put on for charger. Okay, may I play again? The phone don't wiki. Oh, too much igbe. I say gwe uwarule latian. Me like on one radio. I think your one radio so say. If you with this person go do criminal thief, even he said they not they find you. Now she go bring you come out. I mean you want no very secret here. Uwarule latian. They come here bring this thing. May I try to transform for my phone work? And then they may work on me. But see when they use phone when you know they get time for phone. Now be no get time for phone like that. It's too much. You go run come out, you go want make person when we can do the same thing, make that one come collect the disgrace. It is a waje. May I go up, go bring the second charger. Oh, your up now. May I shall any charger? Not be this one. Charger wo phone go na I me I dey have no one call. No big dish. See the second charger. I do go for my floor. Do they talk like my sister? Oh no. I don't know where they put them. Now only this thing, only the wire now see. I don't see the head. Now so it just they do. You just everybody they get different way they do for social media. The name when you carry for this social media, you be liar. Now so if I come out that they say Angela fall for bicycle. Angela fall for bicycle. As they talk they say one commentator right say who be Angela? Lovely pikin when fall for bicycle. As the pikin fat. The pikin he come fall for bicycle. I wait the pikin. We not don't ever see lovely children. You don't ever see lovely children for eye. Lovely children when you don't see for eye. Which time take for bicycle? You just they talk lie. I wanted to even talk, say, Mona see my children when she sit down, they shout. If you see children big. I wanted to disgrace you. I wanted to even show my children. I look, say, when man say, when no fear more fear for Nigeria, where your mom show example, ma. Yes, Suzy, oh, abandon vie. It's an abandonment, abandon vie. I look and say, the way we just they shout, the way they now, you see your children, say, my sister, me, I don't know. If you see Piki come for bicycle, Piki come for bicycle, make the talk say she dey talk. You are too useless. Go carry your Piki for Nigeria, come. Dirty princess when you born put for Africa. Dirty princess, born grand Piki for you. And they on a no ravek. Very useless woman. Who see a man say, he just come they attack mommy let love lead. He can't be like say she be saint. And what from Victor talk? Now this say you. Where are you my from Victor? Where are you? Oga am ye di. But I'm not from Victor. Oh, you say you stress that they say this woman, you responsible. Iya ma a nipo. Owa be mu my from Victor. Owa mo iya isekele from Victor ye fone. Iya iwe from Victor fone. Iya do asaka from Victor. I will say from Victor never marry now. From Victor for those still fuck son. Ne from Victor wa ya on to. Egbe maye fu we say on do from Victor on abi no ya ri oku. Egbe maye ohe. Mama Suzy, we to oregbe hiwo. You too dey lie. We to oregbe. Uwa oregbe. Owa mwene mu. Owa mu. Wait, man, we'll check out whether I go start.
I will tell you the truth. You were the one that said 11 people were Gazin. Yeah, what the 11 people who are here to wait. Why she also said, the two of you was on conference call with me.
Okay.
The two of you was on conference call with me.
Okay. You see, huh? You see, huh? Two of them did the conference call. That day now, mommy let love live now. Still show it Toto. Mama Suzy, that one still show it Toto. Igbinari renya. You want carry everything. You want put on for mommy let love lead. You want put on for your head. You see how useless and barbaric she is. Oh, she my almighty mobile like webo. You know if you carry Piki come abroad. My phone, I don't know where I put my charger, whether I did downstairs.
I will tell you the truth. You were the one that said 11 people were Gazin. Yeah, what the 11 people who are here to wait. Why she also said,
okay.
The two of you were on conference call with me.
Okay.
The two of you.
He got denied now.
It's the truth. So don't deny anything.
You see that conference call? If not only, say, mommy let love live now. She for talk say she no enter. She nobody go ever know say she do conference call with mommy let us lead with from Victor. She can never say it. Auto regbe. She too dey lie. The worst waiting is not good for her. Mama Suzy, if you hear say you dey somewhere with people, say something happen, you know what you they do? Find a way first. Who can whether they go mention your name. No, you just quickly don't come out. They doesn't know it, baby. They doesn't know it, baby. Who went to Oregbe? See now, himself now got the open to talk for from Victor. Or yamu ukmona ye where mune from Victor. But when mommy let love lead, come out now. He rush, come out. He won't be sent. She won't be sent. You are a disgrace. You have one more back on Facebook. After 30 years for Europe, your pikin still in Nigeria. You dey bolikia ever. a woman, a sponsor that carry you, can you pay gbese? What is the need when you take pay gbese? What is the need when you take come out from Nigeria, come abroad? A lot of women, when they come out from Nigeria, come abroad, they can't do it for their children. Where is Ozoba? We agabana. Omo mamula webo. Why remina why sete fita yao usoweva? Eh? Why sete fita yao so more Nigeria or yehwe or yokro. Nuwe ya se Nigeria deni nya espesa nuwe delene is espesa fo. Or Nigeria you go spray, you go buy shampoo, buy tissue paper, buy a brush, go give am to a pikin. If they come out, if they come abroad, you go enter a kioba, a kiagbado. Always we shopping with her. If now 300,000 take do shopping or 200,000, you go share rent to 2 places. You go give a pikin 100,000 oh, she go carry 100,000 oh, or I will let them webo. Where we more live webo huna? We want more live webo. In our way, you know the carry your pikin enter abroad. All your mates, they carry their children enter abroad. Now you, they then wish with your boy, with you, Mama Suzy. Now una can't useless pass on this social media. Husband house, una no gree stay. Train children go follow Mama day house. Una no gree stay. The one where even still manage, come meet and the boy when they as I want give the boy to government for pay. Now he come quick go bring and come. May he come take the chop money. Chop single mother money for Belgium. Iso do wawajo gbelo romo una fune Suzy fune nu lawa owa mi wa la dian ngwo na be this one you go by the fee say iye magbe a lot. Me I no go dey put mouth for talk a lot. Very useless woman of Vigania ye gon say we gon say o we na gwese ma o ge nu weta o we agwan ya we ge na to we gwan o ge nu weta my to o ge yogi ma ve no wa ya sunu o ma ta cause am we bore o gi ma vin. You see her? She know now. She dey do one thing with his Frank Victor tomorrow. Hey, Frank Victor, I not be your mate. You work by my work back here. You work by my work back here. You work by my work back here. Frank Victor, I not be your mate. Where here? Where here? Where? When na work with a brare. Una fiere mai e Frank Victor. Una fiere. On the hoilo no raveki. The day when Frank Victor marry, all of una call to craze for social media. Una call the craze up and down. Madame Menega, Frank Victor marry. Frank Victor wife with you, Mama Suzy, I beg, sit down, come on, filter for your face. They go to say na man, na sit down. If you come on filter for your face, they go to say na man, na you share sit down. Your face, ori goroa. If Frank Victor wife sit down, Frank Victor wife face be like momo. Where people's for finish, you full your face. Where blah spot for people's, all of them full your face. Carry and go where they press people's, go press the commands. Ije fita. I mo fita ya for ne. Hey, at that time they say lovely. Come, you know use fita. Anywhere when your mama say where you use orange fita or set ye go bararararararara. If they call you for a place or say you not use fita. I mean with you they do body and then my wife always body whatsoever. Et they did ça. Umami wanu gbe ore umami oho. Omo we gba ore we oho no me wa gba ore. Oh me fo gba ore. We ma oho. What of we they go here for children, go here for children. Women when they carry children, they go school. The money they would here. Rubbish. If you don't have it on matter, Egbe ya wa mudian ogazi. Ekwe mwe ya one more like we bo. A princess let de. No to in Nigeria. Let that princess mwe like we bo. And ekwe mu no raveki. Now as old as you are. Old school see they buy something they go give it children for Nigeria at this time. Which old school? How are old school ni? Who be this? Who be that old school? Oh where? Oh money like we bo money say you want money be 30 years. Oh yeah, Spain. As I did now, I can't go Italy. I want go buy tissue paper, shampoo. Say I leave pikin for Nigeria. Carry and go. Carry and go give my pikin for Nigeria. At your boni mea. Or money me mu live webo. Carry pikin abroad. The other day they say they